Hey dancers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into something every dancer's feet will thank you for, mindful foot care. First off, let's talk about stretching. Our feet carry us through all those incredible moves, so they deserve some TLC. Every day, spend a few minutes stretching your toes, arches, and ankles. You can use a resistance band or even just your hands. Trust me, your feet will feel more flexible and ready to hit the dance floor. Next up, massage. Foot massages are not just a luxury, they're a necessity for dancers. Grab a tennis ball or a massage roller and gently roll it under your feet. This helps to release tension and improve circulation. Set aside a few minutes every day, especially after long rehearsals. Your feet will feel rejuvenated and you'll notice the difference in your dance performance. Now let's not forget the magic of Epsom salt foot baths. After a long day of dancing, soaking your feet in warm water with Epsom salts can work wonders. It helps to relax muscles, reduce inflammation, and ease those aches and pains. Aim for a 20-minute soak a few times a week. Your feet will feel lighter, and you'll be ready to dance again in no time. Strengthening exercises are also key. Strong feet mean better balance and more powerful movements. Try exercises like toe raises, towel scrunches, and marble pickups to build those muscles. Consistency is key here, so make these exercises part of your regular routine. Remember, taking care of your feet isn't just about preventing injuries. It's about enhancing your overall dance experience. When your feet are happy and healthy, you can focus on expressing yourself through dance without any distractions. So, dancers, give your feet the love they deserve. Stretch, massage, soak, and strengthen. Your feet and your dancing will thank you. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Keep dancing and keep those feet happy.